Now, my dear sisters and brothers, this heart of Jesus is what we often contemplate on a Friday. Every Fridays when we come, we are saying the heart of Jesus. This is his heart. And he is in our heart. He is in our body, mind, and spirit. And from our heart, he wants to do all these good things to others. And so, in the selection of bishop and deacons, if they are not having this attitude of God's presence within them, then they will fail, because then they will be after money, after women, after properties, all these kinds of worldly things. St. Ignatius tells us, God has created everything, and it has to be used insofar as it helps us to the end for which we are created. For what are we created? To revere God in all his creation, in everything, in every way. To revere, to praise him, for he is really marvelous. So even in the not so good things that happen to us, because evil is at work in those moments, God will bring good out of evil. He will educate us. He will open our eyes of faith, and he'll show us how he is taking care of us. And therefore, we have to also serve him. Reverence, praise, and service of God. Why? Because who are we? We are part of him only. So he wants to serve through us, him in others. So God is at work in all of us. And that is what Jesus has shown us as leader. And so those who are serving as leaders have to be more like him by being more present to him, so that he can work through their thoughts, words, and deeds.